Hello. Today I will show you how to remove and replace JBL Live 500BT old, damaged earpads cushion easy and quick. So today I'm going to show you how to save a bunch of money. As you can see, the existing ear cushions are old, dirty and broken for these JBL Around Ear Wireless Headphone. It's quite easy to remove the old earpads. All you have to do is rip them off the headphone housing, as they are held on by some plastic hooks. Once the earpad is removed, order new replacement earpad cushions on Amazon, Aliexpress or eBay. But the important thing is to make sure that it is really designed for JBL Live 500BT headphones. Because the JBL E55BT is identical looking on the outside, but as you can see on the inside earpad is slightly different, and does not fit the Live 500BT headphones. Links to new earpads will be in video description. The second time I was more careful and ordered the correct JBL mount type replacement ear cushions. After that it was just a simple job of putting the new earpad on headphones, but be more careful than me. Because I just now noticed watching this video, that I put the wrong earpad on. I should have put the left side, but I put the right side earpad. Next step you have to do, is remove the other old earpad and put on the new replacement ear cushions. Remember that the fabric seam is on the bottom. Done. Congratulations, looks like new headphones. You've saved money by not buying new headphones, and you can enjoy your music again. As always, I'm glad you watched this video. I'll be glad to see you hit the like and subscribe buttons for other useful money-saving videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Have a nice day.